Did you know that the average Chrome user has over 30 extensions installed, but only uses 5 regularly? This inefficient tool set is costing professionals valuable time and productivity. Today, I'll show you 10 AI Chrome extensions that have revolutionized my workflow, saving me hours each week. First up, Grammarly's AI-powered writing assistant is a must-have for any professional. With its advanced grammar and spell check, this extension helps me avoid embarrassing typos and ensures my online presence is always polished. I've already improved my writing accuracy by 25% since installing Grammarly. To get started, navigate to the Chrome Web Store, search for Grammarly, and click Add to Browser. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Grammarly account credentials. Another essential AI tool is Ahrefs Content Inspector, which analyzes web pages for SEO potential. This extension helps me evaluate the relevance and authority of online